Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fund Zengo Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From here, access Buy feature from your menu bar. Click to buy. Choose your cryptocurrency. Then click to the method that you want to buy. Enter the purchase amount, specify the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to acquire. You can enter a fiat currency amount. Double check the details of your purchase, including the amount of cryptocurrency that you are buying. Zengo offers various payment methods for buying cryptocurrency, which might differ depending upon your region. Depending on your chosen payment method and regional regulation, Zengo might require additional verification step. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with finalization of purchase. This is how you can fund your Zengo wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.